Hey y'all, Fox here. Welcome back to another ranting Reverend of Rant thing. Gary, to prove you wrong, this video is going to be under 5 minutes. So, in this video, I'm just going to quickly answer a single question that I've received from at least 12 different people. And the question reads thusly. I'm paraquoting and pulling from, the multiple sources to make a cohesive and single unifying question. And that question is, hey Fox, what's with the erratic upload schedule for the Shemagh tutorials? Why are you uploading so sporadically in bursts instead of setting things to a schedule like weekly or bi-weekly? Because if you set things to a schedule, Fox, you'll get picked up by the algorithm and it'll start to recommend your channel and more people will see your content and you'll gain subscribers that way. Yes, I do realize this. I don't care. That's the thing, is I'm not in this. I'm not doing the Shemagh tutorials to gain popularity or gain subscribers. I'm not playing the algorithm, and I'm sure as shit not trying to get Susan Wojcicki's attention. I am doing this to share information on a thing that's helped me immensely over the past 15 years, and especially now during COVID time, as something that I can use to cover my face without activating my asthma, my claustrophobia, or causing me to have a panic attack and start hyperventilating in the middle of the bullseye store. So that is the ultimate goal. Yes, I am sharing the videos around. I'm doing this organically because this is not a virtue signal in any fucking way. This is me trying to share something that'll help others like me in this crazy fucking situation we found ourselves in. Now, I could go into a deep rant about how I'm actually an anti-masker and only wear the Shemaghs as face coverings for compliance reasons. But that's semi-true. I am an anti-masker. I wear them for compliance reasons because I don't want to be the asshole to walk into the Bullseye store, the Walmart, or some small mom and pop, have some fucking Karen call the health department on that store because I then walked in without a mask. Now that store don't care so much about the Walmart or the Bullseye, but the small mom and pops will then get investigated and fined because they're non-compliant. And then, people are going to lose their jobs, people are going to lose their livelihoods, and I don't want that to happen. I've already seen it about 24 times. So, I could go into a much, much deeper and more robust rant on that, but I don't really think it fucking matters. And it really doesn't. Because that's not why I'm sharing this either, So, yeah, that's the long and short of it. So, actually, that's it. Without, if I continue on, I'm just going to repeat myself, and I don't much like doing that, so I'll cut it here. Thank you guys for watching. Hey, Gary, look at that. Under 5 minutes. I proved you wrong again, bitch. Just kidding, man. Thanks for the challenge. Anyway, that's it for me. Thank you for watching, and more Shemagh tutorials are on the way. I think the playlist is going to pop up here. Subscribe over here. Hit the bell, whatever. Thank you guys. See you later.